welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls. And the styling services, I love to try out the well-known styling services and also try out ones that are lesser well-known and give people kind of the full array of what's available, and mostly for myself because I just like to try new boxes and I think they're a lot of fun. So if that sounds good to you, then please subscribe below. If you are a returning viewer, thank you guys so much for coming back. Really appreciate it. Today I am doing YOUtopia. Now I have a couple subscriptions that are what I like to call an outfit in a box. Style Starter is one where you basically have somebody kind of go into a mall and shopping for you and picking out an outfit. YOUtopia is one where it's less customized to you, but you also have a little bit more say in it. So what happens in the middle of the month, you get an email saying that your outfit choices are available. And then typically what it is you get to choose from a few different tops, choose from a few different bottoms, and maybe choose from some accessory choices. Typically they all are pieces that work together, that can easily be put together to make an outfit, but that way you kind of have a say in what you get. Also, typically these boxes, I've noticed this is my third one, that they are themed. So my first one was for work or play theme, last one was a nap theme, which was awesome, and then this theme is Halloween. So it's just a fun box, a fun way to get an outfit, and I really enjoy it. 60 bucks a month, I think, plus maybe $5 for shipping. So let's dig right into it and see what I got. And I never remember by the time I actually get this box I never remember what on earth I selected, so it's always a fun little surprise. So I open up the box and it's just, looks like there's a card in front. It says Jennifer with a heart on it, and then some tissue paper. So let's open up the card first. Usually says thanks a bunch. She says, hi Jennifer, thank you so much for the video reviews of my box. You did such an awesome job. To show my appreciation of your continued support, I have included an extra gift. Again, thank you. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. And then what she always puts in here is like a full explanation of what the theme is this month and how it works. So I'll give you some highlights of this. So the first paragraph, she's just talking about how this month's theme is Halloween. What she picked out was not just costumes and gag accessories, but a lot of cute, sleek, versatile clothes and even a fun costume. I seriously considered picking out, there was a unicorn onesie, and I really considered it, but I can't resist getting some cute clothes, so I chose that instead. Outfit pieces to choose from are made up of Halloween and fall themed tops and pieces that can be worn before, on, and after this month's festivities. Jewelry sets came back and were all appropriately coordinated to get you in the holiday spirit. And don't forget the extra valuable gift that is included in every box. Every month you are able to customize your outfit. This is what sets us apart from other outfit subscriptions. The way the customization works, if available, I curated the box with your first choice. If your first choice was not available, then you go to the second and so on. And then you can also just buy, she's got some curated boxes on her website that you can just go through and see what outfit is in that box and say you want that one. So you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and the internet web when you search for YOUtopia Style Box. So, okay, awesome. So let's see what we have here. Now, we have, okay, I think I got my first choice, but let's dive in here. So first off, we have a scarf, a yellow scarf. Let's go ahead and, this stuff is mine to keep. Oh, it's an infinity scarf, and they show you kind of how you can wear an infinity scarf. So just a cool yellow scarf, which is great for Halloween. So there we go. And then we have a pair of pants that have some roses on them. They are, oh, these are super soft. A legging pant. These are definitely not jeans. These are, I'd say, leggings that are patterned to look like jeans, but they're actually not jeans. So no pockets, but pull on, super comfortable. They've got some sequin on it. So basically they're just a fun looking pant. there. Look really cute, really soft. And then we have this black top, just a black short sleeve V-neck top. Kind of got this tie in the front, which I think is a cute detail. So I'm excited to try this on. And then we have some Halloween jewelry. So we have, which will be a lot of fun. I definitely don't have anything like this, but it will be fun. So we got some spider stud earrings and spider web earrings as well. I guess I'll move up to show these to you guys. Fun. And then we have a big old spider web chunky necklace here. I'll hold that up there so you can see that. Very fun. And then we also have this pearl necklace. Okay, and so there's a set here of these big pearl necklace, pearl earrings, and then even a pearl ring. So this is a fun set. Okay, a lot of things in this box, and let's go ahead and try this outfit on. Okay guys, here is my outfit. First of all, we have the scarf. I like the bright yellow scarf. I think that looks Halloween-y with the black shirt on. And then, I guess I'll take this off. So you guys can see the shirt. It's got this kind of, it's very interesting shirt. This drape tie front here. And I think that's very interesting for sure. I could always use more black tops, so this will definitely get some good wear out of it, and I like that it's a unique shirt. Then we have the leggings with the kind of studded flowers on it, which is cute. It's kind of a, I'd call it like a painted legging. Like they look like they're jeans from a distance, but if you got up close, you'd be like, oh, those are leggings. So, but they're super comfortable. I'm not a huge legging person, so I'm not sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. But like I said, they're comfortable. It's a cute little outfit. So you guys let me know what you think. All right, let's recap. Okay, so just a quick recap on YOUtopia. For just 60 bucks plus a little bit of shipping, you get an outfit that's somewhat customized. You get to pick out mix and match pieces. You get pants, usually it's pants, top, and an accessory, which this time it was the scarf. And then you sometimes get a jewelry set with it, which this will be fun to figure out what I can wear this with. I'm thinking maybe I should do for Halloween some sort of like 80s prom zombie, I don't know. So we'll see what I can come up with that. And then as a bonus, I got a second set of jewelry just as a thank you. So I had the fun spidery jewelry, which I'm going to have fun with this month. So a lot of great items here. I enjoy my YOUtopia. I enjoy the fact that they do themes each month, which is fun, and I'm already excited about next month's theme. I may be at least pausing my subscription after next month because there are other boxes that I am wanting to try. And so I'm trying to pare down what I'm getting currently so I can actually still try like YOUtopia, Trunk Club, Natalie Attire. Those are all ones that I'm very interested in trying. So if you see me stop a subscription, it's not because I don't enjoy it. It's just because I want to try other ones. So if you are interested in trying this particular box, I have a link below for you to try it. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.